Hey everyone, today I will show you how to find follow requests on Threads, and here's how it is done. If you have just downloaded Threads by Meta and want to locate your follow requests to start building your followers list, follow these steps. Access your profile. Open the Threads app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. View followers. Tap followers at the top left of your profile. This will show your current followers but not the follow request. Locate follow request. Exit your profile and tap the heart icon at the bottom right of the screen. Under the Activity tab, you will see all accounts that have requested to follow you. Approve or decline request. Tap Confirm to approve a request. Tap Hide if you prefer not to allow someone to follow your account. You can also approve all requests at once if desired. And that is everything you need to know about how to find follow requests on Threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.